So guys, this place is quite good. It's in a place called Oos, which is North Brabant of Holland, and quite a big forest out here. So we have set up our porch now. Now we're going inside and we'll wait. So guys, this is a bird hide, and this hide is really saturated outside the local lights, and a place like Netherlands when you have always rain or not a good light, and I think this is a good place where you can go, and in sure shot the birds will come here and you can easily do your photo shoots. So one right now, and we will be waiting the whole day and take some nice pictures, all different kind of birds, buzzards, and you have woodpecker, you have goldfinch. So hopefully we'll see a couple of them, and I will keep you through this journey all day. So stay tuned with me. Thanks a lot. Place is, you can see the setup is very nice. So we are now setting up smoke now. I'm gonna get the launch here. So guys, we're gonna put this whole thing. So we are now making up the setup. I'll put the log inside. Nice log. That's the strap so the bird can sit somewhere. So this. How you shoot? Like this? What is it?
Yeah.
No, the bird will be looking there. We would have to put the bird here. You know? We will put here, then you can see from there.
Yeah, but you can make it
Like
pictures can
also not come in the camera, huh?
yeah, I know, but I mean, you need the bird to be at the right angle, I think.
Yeah, this is okay. So right. And you can sit here and eat like this.
Is enough? Or is bigger?
No, bigger. Taller. Yeah.
Okay. I can hold it for you.
Yeah, I will read it. This is everything. You can see the whole place is very nice. The prey is there. We put food near this small water line everywhere. So guys, this is absolutely nice. This is the place where we're gonna hide inside. I will also show you. So guys, I can give you a small view from inside how it looks. This is the place. We're gonna sit here and we're going to set up our camera, and through this window you can see outside. So this is really good. Some food for today. Here guys, so it's almost 1 hour we have set up the porch and sitting inside this cabin. Got a couple of nice picture of apple wing and woodpecker, nuthatch, beautiful robin is there, and the buzzard just visited us and he went off. I think our setup is not that attractive. He took a couple of beats and couldn't stand there, and then he went off. But let's wait, he will come back hopefully by the afternoon, and to show you what is happening right now. So as you can see how good is the eye tracking. So as you can see, as soon as the bird enters into the focus zone, the camera consistently started tracking the eye. So See, and I stick to it. So Canon R7 is ready. As soon as I started looking at the subject, the eye tracking started working. Doesn't matter. This is really great when you're in a height and you can go really close to the birds and much time as you want to get the nice picture. So I have another subject. So if I move my camera from here to these subjects, look, and I come back to my initial subject, it's still in focus. You know why? Because I use the back button as autofocus. So when you use your back button as autofocus, your subject is still tracked. Quite good and very responsive in nature. Move to the first subject again, put my camera and look the speed. So this is really great in terms of tracking and autofocus speed with the Canon EOS RF 500. So I heard the buzzard, it's back again. So guys, if you see, the buzzard is just sitting there, and the moment it comes into the camera, so it's very interesting. If you go to the level of the eye, you can get really nice pictures. Right now I'm sitting in a height which is exactly the level of the eye of the bird, and you really get a nice picture out of it. It's a little bit overcasting on his. I think this is really good. So guys, this is a buzzard and I'm in a height, and you can see how beautiful is that, eating the bird I gave. Let me really zoom out. That's what I was talking about. When you are in a height, it is very nice that you can get closer to the birds and take the right actions. So guys, getting track of the subject in the video mode is another very good options of Canon R7. When you're using this camera and you just try to shoot the videos, as you can see I'm shooting a 4K fine mode and at a 60 shutter speed with wide aperture and auto ISO. This bird is quickly be tracked by the camera. Let me put my screen resolution down. See how fascinating. As quick the camera detecting the subject is turning the eye tracking on. This is really great. You can see how quickly it grabbed the subject. I move my camera towards anything else, and as much as it come back to the subject, initial subject is still tracking, because in my Canon R7, what I did, I put my tracking sensitivity is locked on, so it's keep logging on the subject, and the dynamic acceleration is also to the locked on. Look. So guys, you can see after waiting so many hours, finally a buzzard, most probably a female buzzard, right? It did check, it has chest, and it's enjoying the meal I have put out there in the morning. So you can see every time the bird is there. Just put my below. Every time the bird is there, and how the autofocus system is working, tracking the eye here mostly. Tracking the eyes perfectly. So bird heights are always better to go and take the nice pictures. We are hidden, well maintained inside the forest and get closer to the birds. So I got a couple of nice pictures of it. So it's absolute. Nice. Thanks a lot for staying with me the whole day. And we were inside this bird height. You can see this whole forest. This is quite a big forest here in north of Babran. It's called the Os, and we have been in the bird height since morning. It's almost 5-6 hours. It was really great, and we had a lot of fun, and we got a lot of different kind of birds, the buzzards, but we were waiting for the northern goshawk, which we couldn't find, but a lot of finch, applewink. So that was quite a good day we have spent here, and I will put all the videos, all the pictures inside. So hopefully you like it, and please put your comments in the comment box. I will try to get back to you, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for staying with me. See you in the next episode.